Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
In Elements, all of the items that you add and manipulate within an image are stored within layers. A layer is like a transparent sheet on which the images are placed and edited. When there is no image or content within a layer, it is transparent, allowing you to see through to the content in the layer below. You can stack several layers on top of one another to separate the various individual image elements of a larger image file. This way you can manipulate the contents of a single layer without disturbing the content contained within the other layers. In this chapter, we will examine how we can create and edit the layers and their contents to produce various effects within our image files. Understanding and using layers is one of the most critical aspects of being an effective user of Elements. Whenever you create a new image file in Elements that has a white or colored background, the bottommost layer is called the background layer. An image file can only have one background layer at most. You cannot change the placement of the background layer within the layer stack, its opacity, or its blending mode. However, you can convert this layer into a normal layer. If you create a new image with a transparent background, then the image file does not have a background layer at all. The bottommost layer is not constrained in the way that the standard background layer is, so you can move its position within the layer stack, change its opacity, and even change its blending mode. You use the Layers panel to manage your layers in the selected image file. You can launch the Layers panel if it is not displayed by selecting Window from the menu bar and then choosing the Layers command. In the Layers panel, you will see the various layers within the current image file set displayed in a list. Just as with your other panels that you have seen, this panel has an Options button that you can click to view the options for the panel in a pop-up menu. So let's review some of the buttons within the Layers panel. At the top, you can see the New Layer button. Next to it is the New Fill or Adjustment Layer button. Next is the Add Layer Mask button, and then the Layer Locks button. To the right, you can see the trash can icon, which is used for Delete Layer. You can drag layers directly over that icon to delete them. At the far right, you can see the Layer Options button. And in the bar below that, we have the blending mode of the current layer, as well as its opacity setting. Then for the selected individual layers, you can see different icons shown from left to right. The first one is a picture of an eye, and that indicates the layer's visibility within the image file, which can be toggled on and off. Next is the Link Layers button, which looks like a little chain. Next you'll see the thumbnail of the actual layer shown, and to the right of that, the actual layer name.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.